Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at the brand new Toyota Tundra 4x4 Crewmax SR5. This is a 5-passenger pickup truck in Barcelona red, and under the hood you find a 5.7 liter V8 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Tundra includes 2 front recovery hooks, fog lights, chrome bumper ends, and a bed liner. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to press that unlock button once for the driver's side and take a look in the front first. Right up top you have your power windows and locks. There's some storage along the bottom side of the door here. Next to the door you find your different lighting options. You also have your power adjustable side mirrors, and you have this button for that rear window. Taking a look inside, this Tundra comes equipped with black fabric seating. And on the bottom you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. We have our key here. We're going to start this Tundra up. And as always, we're going to look at the steering wheel features first. On the left side, you have your audio controls. You have your voice recognition system, as well as your hands-free calling. On the right side, you have this cluster, which allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Down below that, you have your 2 safety sense buttons with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert. And your cruise control speed settings are right behind the wheel there. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it'll display any device that's connected and your trip information, which you can also press and view. If we go back to the home screen, on the right side it'll also display any audio that's playing. And if you press this audio button on the left side, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options, as well as a choice between USB and a Bluetooth device. Down below that you have your drivetrain selector, as well as your climate control settings. You got these nice sturdy smooth turning dials. Moving down below that, this is where you'll find your 2 USB ports, your USB, and you also have your driver and passenger heated seats, as well as your 12-volt outlet. Taking a look inside the back, we have some storage along the bottom of the door, just like the driver's side. First, we're continuing with the black fabric seating. Now, behind the front passenger seat, you do have an extra storage compartment, and these bottom seats do fold up. You can just pull on this little handle, giving you that flat storage space in the back. Now, to access the back here, there's a little handle here right next to that backup camera. If you give that a pull, that will come down nice and easy. So you have plenty of storage space in the back here, and you also get a nice, better look at the black bed liner. Taking a last look at our Toyota Tundra, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, Bluetooth capabilities, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test ride. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.